Bearings are usually fitted between a shaft and a housing. The shaft may rotate and the housing remains static, as shown here. Sometimes the housing rotates and the shaft is stationary, as is the case with this wheel drum arrangement. Ball or cylindrical roller bearings are usually fitted in such a way that one ring has an interference fit into or onto the rotating component and the other ring has a clearance fit. An interference fit is where one of the rings is pressed, shrunk or tapped into position on its mounting. This is usually the ring that rotates. A clearance fit is one which allows a ring to be hand-fitted into the mating surface. Usually, this is a stationary mounting. Plain bearings, however, are always fitted tightly into a housing. This prevents them from turning with the rotating component. It is usual with taper roller bearings for the cup to be pressed into the housing bore. Methods of installing bearings will be demonstrated later in this series. For various practical reasons, certain machinery requires the use of self-aligning bearings, such as this pillow block unit. These types of bearings are capable of running smoothly even if their housings or the shaft is slightly off square, which may occur due to irregular expansion or distortion factors during operation. We have now described the most commonly used bearing types that will be encountered. Other types or variations are not within the scope of this program. After the break, you will learn about the general principles or basics of bearing maintenance.